Hi folks, Robert here with more Revit training, and today we're going to look at precast concrete. So I'm going to just draw a masonry wall here. Okay, so what we do here is I've sent you this video is for Lucas. I had question and answer, and this is a question I had about a plank that would do widths and openings. So I've got you got that. This is the 12-inch and an 8-inch. Should have those. So now, what you can do with this, go into level 2 here, and these work just like beam. So if I go beam here, I'll select it, family, and there you go. Okay, so that's how you would place it. It's available for beam system as well, so you can go here and see structure. By the way, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, I might be able to help you out like this one. So here we're going to go with a 8-inch. I think that's the one. We got a lot of them in here, so I'm going to go with that one. Yep, and that works that way. You can place it. So now you can adjust these. I'm going to go cancel here. So these planks work just like beams. Now this is not going to be like you're out of the box. Going to continue. I'm going to finish that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to select this beam system, and I want to give it an elevation here. I want to lift it up. Well, we got the 8-inch here. I'm going to go up 8 inches. So as long as it's a beam system, you can do these type of things. So now I'm going to go back into that top level. Sorry. Back into level 2 here. That was a bloody out of the box. So here we're back in the level, and we got a beam system. So now with these that you got here, we can handle the widths here. So I'm going to select this, and I'm going to remove the beam system. And so these end pieces, I can change the widths on them. So here, oh gosh, where is it? Okay, so here, okay, that's not what I want. That's the wrong one, so I'm going to undo that. This is the out of the box, so we don't want to use those. So I'm going to undo these out. Get these out of here. So actually we can do this. I think I'm going to grab all these. See if I can replace them like this. I'm going to go and grab my, interesting, it's not even in there. Here it is right here. So now we've got the ones I made. See, these other ones out of the box, and they don't work. So if I select this, and I'm going to grab the whole beam system, and then I'm going to remove it, so I can select this one here, and I can change the width. See, cut width here. So you can really go in here, and I'm going to say I'm going to knock off so I'm going to knock that down to 3 feet. And then just sort of jag that over here a bit. We might want to do that with this one as well. Make that a 3-footer. Then we go into our 3D view here. And oh, see, we should have picked them up, but we can grab them all now. Just control all these and pick them up 1 foot. So this is the plank you got, and this is how you work it. I'm gonna go up a foot, now 8 inches here, because I think that's the 8-inch. Yeah, we're using the 8-inch. So we're up 8 inches there. I should have went on both ends. So I'll select them all again. Actually, we'll just do this. I'm gonna push this all the way back to beam system, like we were. I'll go back here. Back one more, I think. We're back in beam system. Oh, I shouldn't have done this. Sorry, I'm lazy. So these are the other ones that we don't want. So I replaced these out. I'm going to just grab the whole system here. Okay, I got the whole system, and I want to change these to the ones I sent you. These guys. I should have held on to it. And I still got that beam system now. So what I want to do, I'm going to grab these guys, and I'm going to move them up. Change the elevation to 1 to 8 inches. So there, we're up there 8 inches. So now we can go in here and change the width. Now the out of the box, I'm going to show you the out of the box here. If they got one here, go to beam. Yeah, this is out of the box. No, it's not. I'm going to show you how to load out of the box. Well, there's probably one in here already. Yeah, there's one right there. So out of the box, it comes like this, and it won't even work. It works as a beam system, but we can't control the widths on it. So I understand why you didn't want this thing. It's got some good uses, but you don't have a width parameter. So if I open this thing, open this family up, I want to edit this family and go into my reference level. That's all it does, is length. Okay? So much for that. Now these right here, if I open this family, geez, you go in the reference level, you've got length, and then we go in the front view. Okay, the other front view, the left view, you've got width that we can adjust. So that's all there for you. And then I go back here now. I'm going to fix these. So I'm going to take these guys and I'm going to drop this beam system now. And I'm going to make these with the 3 feet on the ends. Make sure it's a good cut. It's a good cut. Go to this one, same thing. I could even copy the properties over. Go back into my plan view and just make these adjustments here. So this is how you would do this. Now, if you need an opening in this, you just select it and you go into your cut face. Remember, I think you cut these, yep, so you can select this. Let me go back out here first. Okay, now I want to select this. Cut. Okay, I think this is a modify. Oh, edit work plane. No. Cancel. I remember this now. Just bear with me 1 second. So I'm gonna select this guy here. And I should be able to cut this. Jesus, don't make me have to do this over again. Cut geometry. Select it here. You can get an opening in here. I don't remember how to do that. Oh, structure. Okay, here we go. Now, we'll cancel out of this. Sorry, guys. So I'm going to select this. It's under structure. Edit family. Where is that command? That cut. Anybody remember? Modify face. Annotate structure. Okay, cut by face. There we go. And then I'll select it. And I'll do a shape here. Finish it. And there you go. So sorry about that. That's how you're going to do these families that you got sent to you. So hey, anybody, thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe. And this is for Lucas. So thanks for supporting the channel, Lucas. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Everybody be safe and bye. Thanks for watching.